Reporting on duty. Bongret is here. Hi everyone. Welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and again, this is another beautiful Sunday morning, and we are here again. The week is wrapping up today, and we are glad to see it. So, don't forget, yesterday I told you I'm on a short position on BTC, and right now I'm still holding that short position. Even though yesterday we almost hit an ELSA on that position, but alhamdulillah, we couldn't hit the ELSA, and market is currently going in our favor. And this is, it's not luck, it's not a guesswork, it's just price action and liquidity, So let me show you guys what market did yesterday. So that I told you that there's liquidity here, that market must surely react here, and then there's another bigger liquidity here. So the plan was for a fact that if we should hit stop loss here, then we'll come here and wait for BTC for a short. It's just as simple as that. But market couldn't take our stop loss yesterday, and it's a kind of retesting. Okay, this is not a proof that this place will push down price. I've told you yesterday that it's just a kind of a short, a temporary short position. So, but for the fact that this area was able to hold this short yesterday, I will keep on holding and see what today brings. Okay, today is Sunday, and the market is, the weekly wrap up is happening today, so we are likely to still hit an sell on this position if Asians refuse selling BTC very well this morning, and London selling very well. If New York open, we are hitting stop loss on this market. But I will not close this position. I will hold it until either I see a 1:1 risk to reward, so that I will close the short, or I go and hit also. It's as simple as that. So it's always good for you to have conviction anytime you are in a position. Let there be something that is making you keep a losing trade or a winning trade. Let it be that is from a standpoint of what you know, not just the kind of dwelling on hope and luck. I've just told you, if these Asians, because BTC by default BTC is supposed to be selling very well now, but if Asia refuse selling very well and London refuse selling very well as well, so we are likely to see a push up to the upside during the New York session. That should be around 2 p.m. West African time today, just to clear up the liquidity for the week. Okay, so and by that time we should be seeing BTC around the zone, and then Monday we can sell comfortably. It's just as simple as that. I just gave you a head up of what you should look out for. Okay, so guys, let's see what we have on BTC. Before that, don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, don't forget to use the link below this video. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you can always be the first to see our video every morning once we drop it. Alright, let's move ahead. So what do you have on BTC today? Can tell you this is the high of the low of BTC yesterday at 62,300, and this is the high of BTC. Can you just highlight what are you doing? Let me scatter this setup and then do this analysis. Sorry about that, guys. Can you just highlight? So what is happening to my, okay, so this is the high, sorry, yeah, this is the high of BTC yesterday at 63,400, and then don't forget our SL was around 63,500 something, so but BTC couldn't take the SL. So we are watching. So what do you have today? By reason of candlestick stick, we are still trading to the upside. We just catch a reversal, a temporary reversal to the downside. That's why we are in this short position. Okay, so yesterday again closed on a green candle. So what do you think about that? A short green candle. So I'm expecting a good pullback today to around the zone, at least around the zone, around 61,800, 61,500. A good pullback so that Monday can continue the buy. Else, if we should see a lot of manipulation from whales, then we can trade above here today, then we sell for Monday for that correction, because markets cannot continue going up something like that. Okay, if you watch now, consecutively 4 days markets have been trading to the upside, you see. So we need a correction before the actual move to the upside. Don't forget, this movement is just as a result of this double bottom you are seeing here on the daily time frame. So let's go to 4 hours and see what the first 4 hours of the Asian market have done so far. So the first 4 hours of the Asian market is closing in the next 30 minutes, and because of this particular candle that pointed the last hour of yesterday, that's why you are seeing this. Okay, so this correction might happen here, might happen to this extent. You can see there's a lot of order here. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you see that there's a lot of order here. There must be a reaction here. So likely, if this correction should get to this place, I might consider closing my short position. Okay, maybe taking the 1:1 to reward the profit, close the position, and then look for BTC to give me a reason to buy here, and then we'll continue. That's simple. Yeah, very, very simple. But if the sell should be aggressive, then I can come here and wait for BTC to give me a buy confirmation for the continuation of the trend. I hope you are getting it. I'm just giving you a simple idea. Or if market should reverse from here, then expect a take of liquidity for yesterday high. Maybe trade on this hour other supply zone, then before we sell. So these are the three head-ups you should look out for today as you trade Bitcoin today. So I believe so much I've been able to simplify this chart this morning. Don't forget the weekly wrap-up is happening today. Tomorrow morning we'll do a review on what you should expect for the new week. Okay, so stay positive, stay active, stay motivated. Always do everything on confirmation. Don't buy blindly. Okay, so I will see you guys again tomorrow in our next analysis as we work on the weekly charts and tell you what you are to look out for the new week. Don't forget, I remain my humble self, Bangre Solomon, and don't forget, Bangre is out. I'll see you again tomorrow in our weekly analysis on BTC. Bye for now.